Good morning. My name is Marta Moreno, and I am going to introduce a study that I found quite interesting. The name of this study is in Spanish, Análisis de un problema logístico a varios niveles en la industria del automóvil, diseño de soluciones aproximadas. It is a study developed by different teachers of the economics department in the Burgos University. First of all, I would like to say that I know that is not a very recent study and that maybe I should have focused my efforts in finding a more recent one because, as you will see in my final document, it was published in 2002. But after reading it, it called my attention how a system, logistic in this case, can be slightly improved if we take into consideration all the aspects involved on it. I am currently doing my internship in Iveco at its logistic department, a company that is in the automotive sector and, as you may know, is a reference in the production of trucks all over the world. Having all this in mind, I thought that this could be a good example on how to optimize a logistics system by analyzing everything that it is involved on it. For example, the vehicles available to do the transport, the scheduling, daily routes, cost of staff. This study is focused on a logistic operator that works for a company working in the automotive sector. The main objective of this study and of the logistics operator is to improve the current system used by the company in order to make it more efficient by reducing costs and saving time. To do so, the logistics operator takes into account several aspects that affect the logistics system in the company. For example, as I said before, the vehicles available to do the transportation, the costs of the staff, the daily routes, the pickup of raw materials in the supplier's factory, the scheduling, and some others, but these are the most important. After analyzing all this, the logistics operator comes up with an algorithm called búsqueda local that integrates all the aspects introduced before, and adding this algorithm into the current system, it shows an optimization and a more efficient result in the logistics system of the company. It is true that it may sound a very specific study in a very specific company, but the truth, from my point of view, is the following. All companies, especially those in the automotive sector, have a very specific way of doing logistics. Each of them has different aspects, different system, but a system in the end that involves the different aspects introduced before, analyzed in the study: the transport, the costs, the scheduling. So, if our study was carried into different companies in these aspects, there should be always a way to make the logistics more efficient in the different companies. This can be applied at any time. That is why I found that the study was interesting, that it could be an example in spite of the date that it was published, and at any type of company, not only the ones that works in the automotive sector. All companies have a type of logistics involved, not only on obtaining the material to develop products, but also to distribute the products, on the distribution of the products to the customers. So, again, from my point of view, all the logistics involved can be at a certain point improved if we analyze and study the different aspects involved in these logistics systems. So thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this study as interesting as I did. Thank you.